Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to sign up TD Bank online banking on PC. TD Bank is American national bank that offers wide range of financial services and products. To sign up TD Bank online banking, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.td.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of TD. Now here you need to click on personal option on the top. Then here you can see easy web online banking option on the right side. Click on register option on the down. Now to sign up to online banking, you need to be a TD personal banking customer. You need to be 18 years of age or older and a Canadian resident. Now click on the option of register. With that, here on the first you can see the terms and conditions for a registration of online banking. Then on the down here you need to select whether you have TD Web Broker or My Insurance account with a login ID and password. Click on No, I would like to set up a new easy web login ID and password. Then click on Continue option. With that, now here you need to fill in all the information. At first, you need to select what you want to register with. I am going on with the access card. If you don't have your product listed, then click on Why is my product not listed? Then enter the card number. After that, click on first name box and enter your first name, then enter your last name on the given box. With that, here you need to enter the date of birth, select the month and enter the day and year of your birth. With that, enter the postal code. After that, click on continue option. Then you need to review the online authentication terms. Select the checkbox to the consent to the third-party identity authentication process. Then select continue option. Then select the correct answers to your multiple choice verification questions. With that, select the continue option. After that, you need to review the terms and conditions, and if you agree, then select the checkbox. After that, click on continue. Then you need to create a username and password. Make sure you create your username according to the criteria mentioned on the given website. Then you can enter your email in the optional, your email box and confirm your email fields. After that, you need to create your password. Make sure you create your password, then re-enter the password on confirm your password field, and make sure your password also matches the criteria mentioned. Then you need to review your information and select the continue option to complete the registration. A message will appear confirming successful easy web registration. With this, you will be able to sign up to TD Bank online banking on PC. This is how we can sign up TD Bank online banking on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.